Come test drive the 2021 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, heated front seats, security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, overhead console, cloth seat trim, panic alarm. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.